Magandang araw po sa lahat. By this time, proceed po tayo sa ating Hydraulics and Geotechnical Engineering Board Problem number 19. Simulan na po natin ang ating diskusyon. At syempre, ito ang ating CE Board Problem for today. Our CE Board Problem for today is under hydraulics, specifically fluid statics or hydrostatics. Hydrostatic pressure due to depth. And our seaboard problem for this day. Piston A has a cross-section of 1,200 square centimeters, while that of piston B is 950 square centimeters, with the latter higher than piston A by 1.75 meters. If the intervening passages are filled with oil, whose specific gravity is 0.80, what is then the difference in pressure between A and B? And as shown below is our given figure to this given CE board problem. Let us now start solving the problem. At bilang simula para sa ating solusyon sa ating given CE board problem, ay gagamitin natin ang formulang aking ibibigay. At ito siya actually. We will be using the difference in pressure between A and B. So we have it as P sub A minus P sub B equals to the unit weight of the oil to be multiplied by the depth level of 1.75 meters between point A and point B. Now, in order to calculate for this given problem, the unit weight of oil should be given like this. The specific gravity of oil, which is equal to 0.80, must be multiplied by 9.81 kilonewton per cubic meter. That is why the difference in pressure between point A and point B must be equal to 9.81 times 0.8 to be multiplied by 1.75 meters. Let us see our solution. Now we already have the difference in pressure between A and B. We have it as 9.81 times 0.8 times 1.75. And finally, our answer to this given CE board problem is simply equal to 13.734 kilopascal or 13,734 Pascal. And that's all for today. Thank you and God bless us all.